Good afternoon, dear students. How are you all? Okay, I'm back here to continue the class that we are learning about the nervous system. Is it right? So, the last class we have learnt some important introduction about the nervous system, as well as more importantly we have learnt about the brain. Is it right? So, as we have learnt about the brain, where the brain has three different parts called as cerebrum, cerebellum, and spinal cord. Is it right? So that we call as medulla. So we have learned in the previous class about these three points. Is it right? So today we are going to learn two more different important aspects of the nerve system. It is spinal cord and nerves. Okay, let us start first about the spinal cord. Yes, students, see this is spinal cord. The spinal cord which continues from the medulla, the third part of the brain, and it travels through the backbone. And you know, dear students, almost all it has the controlling and coordinating capacity of all important aspects. See, this spinal cord is one of important aspect which receives all the senses of our body and helps to travel to the brain. So from the spinal cord to brain. So it is protected by vertebral column. See, this is the vertebral column. It is continuing. Okay, so this vertebral column protects the spinal cord and helps to travel the sensory neurons, as like sensory messages that we receive from our sense organs. All it sends to the brain. Then the response from the brain is also carried out by the spinal cord, and it carries from the brain and helps to transport the commands to the all different types of nerves present in our body. And you know, it is very delicate part of our body which has very sensitive concept. Have you understand? So this is about the spinal cord which we have learned. And about the nerves, if you go about the nerves, you know that the nerves are having a neurons which is called as nerve cells. Nerve cells is also known as neurons. So it attach each other, and millions of nerve cells are present in our body which forms the nerves. So dear students, you know there are three different types of nerves present in our body. There are three different types of. What are those? So let us learn one by one. The first one is sensory nerve cell, and then second one is motor nerves, and third one is connecting nerves. Sensory nerves, motor nerves, and connecting nerves. So let us understand one by one what are the functions of these. The first we will go about the sensory nerves. Dear students, the function of the sensory nerves is it receives the sense, the messages, the changes of our surroundings from the sense organs and carried out to the next stage, receives from the sense organs. The receiving part of the messages which is of changes of our surrounding is by the sensory nerves. And what is the function of the motor nerve? Second one, motor nerve. So the motor nerves carry out the response. So sensory nerves carrying the messages from the sensory organs. That is a not response. It is called as stimuli entirely. Changes. ನಮ್ಮ ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯಾರು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು ಸೆನ್ಸರಿ ನರ್ವ್ಸ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಮೋಟಾರ್ ನರ್ವ್ಸ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ದ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, if someone is calling me and I have just my ears has listened, oh, someone is calling me, and then why they are calling, I have to respond. No. For example, I am a student, my sir has called me, I come here, so just I listen that, oh, sir is calling. So sir what has called, come here. That means I have to give a response. I have to go in front of the sir. That is the response. So calling what we have listened, that is by the sensory nerves. And I am giving a response. I am going near to the sir. Why sir has called me? So that is the response. Okay. So as like the motor nerves and sensory nerves are working. And third type of the nerve which is called as connecting nerve. Connecting nerve is act between the sensory nerve and the motor nerve. Act between the sensory nerve and the motor nerve. It helps to receive the messages from the sense organ and give it to the motor nerve, and from the motor nerve it receives and from give it to the sensory nerve. Like that, it acts in the middle to connect both the sensory nerve and the motor nerve. So like this, these nerves are helping us to form. For example, if you go about the just we take a cricket field, is it right? So you are the batsman. Think that you are the batsman and you are standing to bat. And your response, your situation has what you are thinking when you are holding a bat and standing in the pitch. You will think that bowler will come to bowl, but also you are thinking that what type of ball he is throwing, fast bowling or slow bowling. That also you are thinking. Second time, what you are thinking, where he will throw, front or back. Bounce, is it right? Or lower pitch, is it right? And also you have to think where the fielders are standing, what the keeper is doing, where I have to hit the ball, is it right? All things you have to think, is it right? So that is by the sensory nerves, and when the ball is come and you have to shot it, is it right? What you have to do? You have to shot it. So that is the response which is by the motor nerves. You have to shot and you have to run to score, is it right? So then between that connecting, that is called as connecting nerves. Okay, dear students, one more point is there which I am going to explain you about the nerve system, that is reflex action. Reflex action means sudden changes to the response. What is the meaning of reflex action? Sudden changes to the response. For example, I will tell you, our body can act suddenly. For example, so ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟವ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಟೀ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ, ಟೀ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ತಪ್ಪಲೆನ ವೆಸಲ್ನ ನೀವು ಬೈ ಮಿಸ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀರ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಆರ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಔಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್, is it right? Because you will feel that it was very hard alva. So which is that sudden responses is called as reflex action. For example, ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ, ಒಂದು ಮುಳ್ಳಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಲು ಇಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಸೊ ಬೇಗ ಕಾಲು ತಕ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೊಳ್ಳೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಬೇಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಡಿತೀರಾ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಡನ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಸಡನ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ is known as reflex action. Okay, dear students, so this is the today's class what we have discussed with you. Tomorrow we will learn about the sense organs, which is very interesting. Okay, so do the work what I am giving you and read it and listen this class. Thank you. Take care everyone. Bye.